What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of SC Outdoors. Today's video is short, sweet, not a whole lot to it, but it was cold, it was rainy. Just spent some time on a couple spring creeks. It was about 31 degrees out, it was raining, it was wet. Not the most fun environment to be in, but it was worth it to catch a couple fish. First stream I hit is a favorite of mine. It's one I've been fishing for years. I just didn't do that well this time, unfortunately, but I ended up getting one fish and then moved on to another stream where I got a couple more. First stream is a wild trout stream, second stream more of a hatchery stream, but both are spring creeks, which have great temperatures this time of year. Heart of winter, it's cold. A lot of streams are frozen around me right now, a lot of the freestones, so gotta stick with those spring creeks. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna take you right into it here. Well, guys, this is probably not going to be super fun for me. It's cold, it's like 29 degrees, and it's raining. It's like almost like an icy rain. But I like this creek a lot. It's just really low, so I don't have a ton of expectation, but we've got stocked fish, wild fish. Let's see if we can make something happen here. Man, guys, this water is low. It's been extremely difficult to even find potable water. It's been the theme for this winter. The stream runs low as it is. I mean, in general, there's not a whole lot of depth in many places. But it's just been really difficult to find a fish. I haven't had a bite yet. All right, guys, I am moving on, different spot. Nothing here. Spin fished here last winter and caught a few fish, but nothing on the fly. It's also, like I said, really low, so you could go to a different spot that I've usually done pretty well at as well, but it'll be even worse than this, I think, depth-wise. Let's see, maybe we can pull something out here. There we go. Nice. Took the egg, it's a brook trout. Nice one too. Wild fish, it looks like. Let's go. I don't know if he's a wild fish. He's pretty enough, but look at that mouth. I mean, he's definitely been hooked. Fins look okay. This is a stock stream, so could be a stalker as well, but I think he just kind of got messed up in the jaw there, so that's kind of a shame for him. But hey, we'll take it. We'll take our first fish for sure. Let's go. He took the egg presentation. I guess since I caught a fish, I'll show you guys my setup. It's the same as I was using in my last video, since it worked pretty well. It's a little jacked up and muddy now, but this egg sac is it's like a pink and yellow combination, size 14. That's what he took. Beneath that, I've got my little size 18 zebra midge, black and white. Glad I changed spots. Nice spot. There we go. Fish on. Nice. Rainbow. Come on, yes. There we go. Early fish at this spot. I gotta get to a spot where I can get them off. Alright guys, well, based off the white stuff in my net, I think we've got a male. Safe to say. But he is pretty. Look at that. Gorgeous bow. Alright buddy. Back in there. There he goes. So I guess just to give you guys an update on where we're at with things here, I took a little drive to a special reg stream. No wild trout, but you know, there are a bunch of stockies, so that's a good sign. That's pretty early. All right, kind of get back in there, see if we can get another one. It's a really juicy looking run. Yep. Nice. Another bow. Digging in too. Got the egg. Looks like it actually got it kind of on the bottom of this jaw there. All right, so that's bow number 2 out of this run. He is juiced up and ready to go. Oh shoot, there he goes. Wanted to give him a nice release. Sorry about that. That's 2 casts in a row, both. This could work out really well.